Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to enable automatic backups on WhatsApp. By turning on this feature, you can make sure your messages and media are securely backed up without having to worry about losing them. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Then tap on the three-dot menu at the top right corner of your screen. Next, go to Settings. Then select Chats. After that, tap on Chat Backup. Once you're in the Chat Backup settings, you'll see the option to turn on automatic backups. Here, you can choose the backup frequency: daily, weekly, monthly, or only when you tap Backup. Pick the one that works best for you. And that's it. Now your WhatsApp messages will be automatically backed up. This simple step will keep your important conversations safe. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials. See you in the next video.